स्मार्ट मीटर बसयले उपरांत विजेचे दर वा वापर वाडटलो तशेंच मीटर चुकीच्यो नोंदी घेतलो ही चुकीची म्हायती अशें जर कोणें सांगल्यार गिरायकांनी तांचेर विस्वास दवरचो न्हय। स्मार्ट मिटराक लागून गिरायकांक तांच्या लायटीच्या वापराचेर नियंत्रण दवरप सुरळीत जातले। स्मार्ट मीटर ही आतां मेरेन 1020 फिडर 5800 शासकीय संस्थेचे इमारतीत स्मार्ट मीटर जोडणी पुराय जाल्या, जाल्यार 9000 ट्रान्सफॉर्मर केंद्रांक जोडणी दिवप सुरू आसा। ऑगस्ट 2027 सगळ्या गिरायकांक स्मार्ट मीटर जोडणी मेळटली अशी माहिती स्टीफन फेर्नांडीस हाणें दिली। कांय कारणांक लागून बंच केबल प्रकल्प यशस्वी जावंक ना। सध्या सुरू आशिल्लो जमनी पोंच्या सरयांचो प्रकल्प उपेगी थारतलो। वीज मीटर रिडींग सहज घेवपाक मेळटले अशे सुवातेर आसप गरजेचे। JERCच्या नेमा प्रमाण राज्यांतल्या 25,000 गिरायकांक तांचे मीटर स्थलांतरीत करून घेवचे पडटले। ही जनसुनावणी JERCन 2024-25 खातीर मंजूर केल्लो आनी प्रत्यक्षात जाल्ल्या खर्चाचो हिशोब दिला अशें स्टीफनान स्पश्ट केलें।
Simply do not ask rebates, reduction of power, or what you call it, what Delhi gives, this many free, because you only need to pay it from other side. So that is what he has made a good point. So what you should demand is the efficiency, how we have to improve on efficiency, not directly asking जो Delhi देता है तो 200 units हमको भी दे दो. Please do not do that. It will make you paralyzed over a period. Today Lotlikar is saying do something that it should have been done 20 years back or 30 years back. So if we give this temporary relief to you, your children or grandchildren will suffer. Okay. Because finally the cost has to be borne by the people of Goa only. So why not bear little bit now instead of keeping it a big chunk of money your children has to bear. Coming to smart metering, I want to be loud and very clear. Smart metering is a different kind of subject. If you touch it, politically also it get affected. There are few people come who object because of their political gains. But people of Goa should understand, smart metering gives lot of insights. It's very, very important. Smart metering, if you see Bihar, UP or any other state, do not compare it with what you see in the papers. We are already having electronic meters. So the meter will not record high, low, nothing. The meter will record same thing. But if you see other states, I don't want to name them, there the meters were electromagnetic or very old technology. So now when they go for smart metering, it is affecting them not because they are smart meters, because they are electronic meters at the first place, and then we call it smart because of the communication. So here the consumption will not increase. Because we are already having the best meters. It is only the communication between the consumers and me, between the consumers and your meter will improve.
Bureau Report, Gomantak TV.